Have you ever looked at someone successful and wondered, what's their secret? Why do some people walk into a room and suddenly everyone notices them? Why do they achieve goals that others only dream about? It's not always money. It's not always talent. It's the secret weapon of every truly successful person is self-confidence. But here's the truth. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build. And today, I want to share with you a powerful story. A story that will show you exactly how confidence can transform a life. There was once a young man named Daniel. Daniel was smart, kind-hearted, and had big dreams. He wanted to start his own business and make a difference in the world. But there was one problem. He lacked confidence. Every time he had an idea, he doubted himself. Every time he wanted to speak, he stayed silent. Every time an opportunity appeared, he convinced himself he wasn't good enough. In college, Daniel once had a chance to present his project in front of investors. He had worked on it for months. But when the moment came, his hands shook, his voice trembled, and he walked away before even finishing. Others looked at him with pity, and inside, Daniel felt broken. He told himself, maybe I'm just not made for success. Days turned into months, months into years. Daniel took a regular job, sitting quietly at his desk, watching others rise while he remained invisible. But one night, something happened that changed him forever. He was walking home in the rain, lost in thought, when he saw a little boy trying to sell candies on the street. The boy was soaked, shivering, but he stood in front of strangers and kept saying with a smile, "Sir, would you like to buy one? Please, it will help me go to school." Daniel stopped. The boy smiled and replied, "Of course they say no. Most people do. But if I stop asking, I won't eat tonight. If I keep asking, someone will say yes. That's enough for me." Those words hit Daniel like lightning. Here was a child with nothing, yet he had more courage than a grown man with everything. That night, Daniel went home and made a decision. He would no longer let fear control him. The next day, he stood in front of his mirror and said to himself, "I am worthy. I am capable. I will not run from life." He started small. At work, instead of staying quiet in meetings, he spoke up just once. His voice trembled, but he pushed through. People listened. He began setting little challenges, greeting strangers, volunteering for tasks, practicing public speaking. Each time, fear tried to stop him. Each time, he pushed a little harder. Months later, Daniel revisited his old dream, his business idea. This time, he didn't run. He presented it again, not perfectly, but passionately. Investors saw the fire in him, the belief, the confidence, and they invested. Fast forward a few years. Daniel's business grew. He became a leader, a mentor, and an inspiration to many. But when people asked him what was the key to your success. He didn't say money, education, or luck. He simply said confidence. I learned to believe in myself before anyone else did. My friend, confidence is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward despite the fear. It is the belief that your voice matters, your dream matters, your life matters. Every successful person you admire once stood where Daniel stood, doubting, trembling, afraid. But they chose courage over fear, confidence over doubt, and so can you. Your dream is waiting. Your future is waiting. And all it needs is for you to believe in yourself. So today, remember this. You don't have to be perfect to be confident. You just have to take the first step. Don't give up. Don't stay silent. Don't let fear write your story. Because when you finally choose confidence, the world will choose you. Your time will come. Keep moving forward.